Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fruitcake. First, gather all your ingredients and equipment, ensuring everything is ready before you begin. A crucial initial step is to soak your dried fruits. Submerge them in your chosen liquid, like brandy or orange juice, for at least 24 hours. This rehydrates them and infuses flavor, making your cake wonderfully moist and rich. Next, we'll create the cake batter. Begin by creaming together butter and sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Then, beat in your eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Finally, gently fold in your dry ingredients and the pre-soaked fruit. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to a tough cake. Now it's time to bake your fruit cake. Place it in a preheated oven and bake at a low temperature for a long duration, typically several hours. To check for doneness, insert a clean skewer into the center. It should come out clean. Once baked, let the cake cool completely in its pan on a wire rack before attempting to unmold it. Finally, for the best flavor, your fruitcake needs to mature. Once cooled, brush the cake with more alcohol or juice. Then, wrap it tightly in parchment paper and aluminum foil. Store the wrapped cake in an airtight container in a cool, dark place for several weeks. This allows the flavors to deepen and meld beautifully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.